Hi, so my name is Lauren Hay, and I'm a student at Thomas College. I'm a pre-service teacher. This is my second year at Thomas College, and this year I'm a judge for the Winslow Writing Contest. So I first wanted to start by saying thank you so much for submitting an entry. I had so much fun reading everyone's stories, and I especially liked yours. So, your story, first of all, I thought was extremely funny. I had so much fun reading it. There was multiple parts throughout your story that made me laugh. When you were talking about the dog poop, or when you had to clean your car that hadn't been cleaned in years. I thought that was so funny. And I also could relate to your story too. Um, in this part right here, you said your parents had made up some things for you to do around the house. Mine used to do that all the time. So I definitely could relate to that. Overall, as the way that your story was written, I really liked that you introduced your friends and told me a little bit about them. Um, and then you wrapped it up around at the end where you said you were going to go to Boston with your friends. So I did like that you did tell us a little bit about your friends and who you were going to Boston with. And another thing that I really liked about your story was how much dialogue you used. Um, you constantly use dialogue throughout your story, and I really could visualize it in my head because I could picture who was saying it back and forth, and I really liked that. And I thought overall your story was very well written, so keep up the great work.